In front of me is Oppo Reno 12F, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, hit additional settings. Then select keyboard and input method, manage keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, just click on text correction and use this switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that suggestion strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!